I've said before, clients can use any software of their choice. So, but for those clients using QuickBooks, so this demo is good. You see how you export from QuickBooks. So just go to their product list. From the home page, go to product list, item list, and say I want to then export to Excel. Okay, then you are exporting all inventory items. So you go next, and then you can select where you want to export to. So let me pick our folder, our training folder. So we say QuickBooks item list. Then we select the sheet where we want the data to be exported to, and then you can add new, or you select an existing. So like this one for StockMagic, you see it's already ordered. This is how, if you look at the import template, you see, so you start with the item number, which is the item code, item number, then you have department name next, item name next, item description next, selling price, cost price has been ordered. So for ease, you know, yeah, attribute size. So yeah, we'll go next, and we export the data. Wow, that's good. So now we have the exported product list from QuickBooks. So we'll be using it for StockMagic. So we can just copy and paste. So there's something in between. Yeah, there's something in between. Yes, between item number and there's something in between. So we can copy all of these ones at once to description, even to selling, to cost price, and to quantity. We'll copy them, and then we'll paste into this. Yeah. So this is the template. We'll paste into the template, and then let's not forget that we have UPC. We have UPC here. We'll copy this and paste it under UPC. Then we're done. So what we need to do now is to take back this information into StockMagic. We're done with this. We need to connect back to the device, the phone we want to use for the stock count. So we'll go back to the phone, document, and then find StockMagic training. Almost. I can delete this or replace it. So I'll copy from here, and paste it on the phone. That's done.